Hello dear, how are you? I hope that everyone will be fine and you are getting good things. Now look, telling the time. Today we talk about the time. What time is it? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? Now look at here, the telling the time, how can you? The few points you have to remember. When you remember the few points, so it means that time is not problem for you. So now how? Now telling the time, that what time is it? क्या हुआ है? वक्त क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? क्या हुआ है वक्त? Now look. It's 5. It's 5. 5 बजे हैं. We said that it's 5. और दूसरा. Now the second time. How can you say? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. 5 बजे हैं. 5 बजे हैं. 5 बजे हैं. It's 5 or it's 5 o'clock. If you can say the both are the right. Okay. Now, what time is it? It's 5:15. 15 means 5:15. 5:15. Okay, 5:15 means quarter. Quarter. It is the quarter. Quarter, you know, पाव हिस्सा. ठीक है, पाव हिस्सा. हम बोलते हैं सवा पाँच. It's 5:15. सवा पाँच. What would you say? सवा पाँच. So it's 5:15. Oh, the difference is it's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. Now the quarter past 5. But सवा पाँच. Quarter past 5. सवा पाँच. Okay. Now the second. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. Means साढ़े पाँच. The half portion. Okay, half portion something. ठीक है, half को हम कहते हैं half means आधा. साढ़े पाँच. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. ठीक है. It's 5:30. Now 5:30. It's 5:30. साढ़े पाँच. It's 5:30. Now you have to think that it's 5:30. Now the second. It's 5:45. It's 5:45. 5:45. 5:45 means the quarter. The quarter. Okay, the 5:45 is quarter to 6. Not past. Past means that something गुजर गया. जो गुजर गया वहाँ पास जाएगा और जहाँ अभी गुजरा नहीं है. Quarter to 6 मतलब पौने 6. Okay, it's quarter to 6. तो quarter to 6 is called the पौने 6. Okay, अभी बजा नहीं है, अभी पौने 6 हैं, मतलब 6 भी हुए नहीं है. तो इट्स अ क्वार्टर, मतलब क्वार्टर कम है. क्वार्टर अगर सवा है तो क्वार्टर पास, अगर पौना है तो क्वार्टर टू. यू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. क्वार्टर टू पौना, क्वार्टर पास it means that सवा. You have to remember that. Okay, it's quarter to 6. पौने 6 हुए हैं. Now it's 6:23. It's 6:23. एक 6:23 हुए. Now you understand that this is the very I think so unique thing and very different and very simple. It's not difficult. It's depend on you that how can you express your feeling. Okay, so practice this. I always say you that practice. When you practice, you will be able to speak out. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that. And don't feel shy. Don't feel hesitation. It's not a matter to hesitate. Okay, when you speak so fluently.